We're going milkshed and then McDonald's in Newton Abbot. We've got Cole with us and two others that we just met at Shoreline, and they thought I was Simon. You guys just missed him. You don't stop there, man. Huh?
Where are we going?
Down that way. Possibly grabbing a milkshake. We did just grab a drink at Shoreline. I got very dehydrated, needed a drink, so possibly get a milkshake, not too sure yet. And then definitely getting food. Wants us down here, and we're gonna fill up this beauty again. I fill it up almost every time I go out. I fill it up, mainly because I do too many miles and I've got nothing to do, so why not just ride around? I ride around and do a lot more miles than I think I'm doing, which isn't ideal. We're doing a Plymouth ride tomorrow as well. I'm looking forward to that because I haven't actually been down to Plymouth. I think I've driven there once, and that was for a job. That was a little while ago, so it would be nice to go down, go the way that they're planning on going. One more thing as well, if you haven't already, check out my second channel, RXRMoto. Link is in the description. I post more POVs. There's more POVs on that channel. I try to do every 2 weeks, and it's more like raw sounds, so the chest is mounted either on my back or on my chest, so you guys can just hear the pure sound of the Yamaha with the exhaust. And there will be some uncut videos as well, or uncut POVs on that channel, which you guys can go ahead and enjoy as well. love this road. The bike got up very quick there as well. Me and Simon have to do a race. He's got the new Yamaha and I've got his old one. So we definitely have to have a little race. See which bike is faster and which driver or rider is better. It will be me. See, my MT is a undercover 09 SP, so mine's just faster. Fucking full tuck it. Park up here, but I hate this road and I'm in a ditch. I'm in a fucking ditch, bro. I weren't that much in front of him actually, was I? Go, you're all the way out, bro. Right, we're going Newton Mackeys. It's been a while since I've been in Newton Mackeys. I don't really like Newton Abbot, but I live there. Car meet. That's where we're going. Damn, that's a good car meet, man. Alright, it's over here. Oh, fuck! ABS is so shit. Fucking hell. I used to do it on my 𝑎𝑏𝑜, but yeah, I don't like doing it on this bike. It's too nice to ruin. This is so dead. Right, we've joined Red Limes. I'm fucking fully tucking. That was fucking close. I was gonna dig it, bro. Oh, I was gonna fucking dig it down as well.